We are live now. Can you share the link, ma'am?
Yes.
Share the link with the children. Good evening, everyone. So today some questions I'm going to solve. See, first question. When somebody will be asking you about coordinate axis, so that time when you will be discussing about coordinate, what and all questions are coming. The first question what I'm dealing here today is, if somebody will ask you this question, find the value of x and y if x plus 3 comma 5 equal to 5 comma 1. So this question is coming. Good evening, Beta. Good evening, child. Yes, child. Good evening. हाँ recording है ना मैम. Okay, a little late also I can get, no problem. Good evening, Beta. Just run the session as fast as possible. Now listen, Beta. I'll just inform some things. I'll just start. Ready, Beta? Are you ready for the class, please? Okay. Now the first question is, if somebody will be asking you this question, and they will be telling that, okay, this part is equal to this section, means the ordered pair, the ordered pair is exactly coming equal to each other. That part, when this section question is given, and they will be telling you to find the value of x and y. So if somebody will be asking you find the value of x and y, how you are going to solve the question and see the answer. So x plus 3 is equal to y is there. 5 is there. So x plus 3, in ordered pair we know that abscissa will be equal to ordinate. Okay, abscissa will be equal to ordinate. That section, when abscissa will be equal to ordinate, you can write x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now let us shift this on this side. It will become 5 minus 2. So it is coming as x will be equal to 2. Done. Now next one, if somebody has now ordinate section. So ordinate section, Amrish, what will be the value of that? 5 will be directly equal to y. 5 value will directly will become equal to y. So are you ready for the next question? Come on, say. Are you ready for the next question? First question done. So if somebody will be asking you x plus 3 is equal to 5, we will do first part. Second part is 5 will be equal to y. Done? Done? Now shall we go for the next question? In ordered pair, abscissa part will be equal to abscissa, ordinate part will be equal to ordinate. Abscissa part will be equal to abscissa and ordinate part will be equal to ordinate. Is it okay for you? Abscissa part will be equal to abscissa and ordinate part will be equal to ordinate. Ready, beta? Next question. Fine. We'll go for the next question. So the next question is, let's start this. Next question. Next question is, if somebody will be saying you find the value, the same question 2 comma 2y minus b equal. What is given to you is x comma 7. Now beta, can you tell me the value of x and y? Come on, start, solve the question and tell me the value of x and y. What will be the value of x and y? Say answer. What is the value of x and y, beta? Anushi, say the answer. Say the answer, beta. Amrish, can you say the answer? What is the value of x and what is the value of y, beta? Y will be equal to x will be equal to first abscissa part will be equal to abscissa. So x will be equal to 2. Understood? And then 2y minus 3 will be equal to 7. So 2y is equal to minus 3 will shift this side. It will become 7 plus 2. So 2y is equal to 10. Now here you need to do one thing. 2 by, if it will shift down here, for 10, what will be the value? It will become y is equal to 10 by 2. Answer is coming as 5. Y will be coming as 5. Hi, Beta. Good evening. Now listen. So this is exactly coming as y value will be coming as 5. So this is one question. This is one question. Now next question I'm giving you. Come on, start the question, please. This is one question. Next question is, if somebody will be asking you, this part is done, better you note it. So note down. So abscissa part will be equal to abscissa and ordinate part will be equal to ordinate. Okay. Abscissa part will be equal to abscissa and ordinate part will be equal to ordinate. And like that you can solve the question. Okay. Okay, abscissa part will be equal to abscissa 6 comma 0. Now this is the point 6 comma 0. Now this point, no problem, no problem. The question is the point 6 comma 0. Write this question because the point 6 comma 0 lies in the direction of is lies in the direction of, so it will be lying in which direction? Can you tell me? Any idea? It will be lying in the direction of lying in the direction of, if any fill in the blanks, like fill in the blanks like this is given to you, then how you are going to appear for this question? Oh, nice. Right side I can take, but directly fill it. Just can the online children be able to write? You say English. What is the perfect answer for this beta? So if somebody will be asking you, lies in, very good. That's absolutely correct, Amrish. But fill it fully. Positive side of what? Exactly. That's very good. Lies in the positive direction of x-axis or right side of x-axis. So either in the positive direction or in the right side. Both we can say. Okay. So it is exactly what? Positive direction or positive side or right side of x-axis. So we can answer like this there. Fill in the blanks is there, and that particular moment we can answer like this. I hope you might have understood this question. Will you be able to solve fill in the blanks like question, beta? Now next question is justification question. Next question is justification question. SK Coaching Center. Yes, sir. Now look here. We will be. Shall we start the question, please? Now look at that. Next question is, you have to exactly tell that does, because they will not be asking only MCQ questions, they will be asking some justification questions also. So you must be ready for writing. Channel, can you say the answers with a little fast? Little bit. You put in the live part so that I will be able to see your answers as fast as possible. Okay. Now look at this is exactly what the question I'm giving. Does 3 comma 2 does 3 comma 2 and come on, say the answer. Does, we'll write it as B. Does 3 comma 2 and Q 2 comma 3 represents the same point? So a very important question. What question they are asking that? It does 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 represents the same point. So if somebody will be asking you this question, what answer you are going to? Bhavya, are you there in the group? Bhavya? Very good, Tanisha. Huh? Yes, the correct answer is that does not. Very good, Vita. The correct answer is does not represent the same point. Why it is not representing the same point? He gave a very perfect answer. Child was also given the answer. But I want a reason. What is the reason why it is not exactly representing the same point? Can you say me? That's a different. Huh? That's a yes, absolutely. Very good. So answer is x-axis value is 3 and here x or abscissa here is 3, abscissa here is 2. So definitely abscissa is not the same. So since abscissa is not the same, here ordinate is 2 and here ordinate is 3. So 100% they are not representing the same point. Are they representing the same point, beta? No. The correct answer is they are not representing the same point. Very good, Amrish. Can we go for the next question, please? Now, one question they are asking, if they will ask like this in MCQs, how we are going to give the answer? The question is, you have to just trace out A comma A, first point. Second is minus A comma A and minus root 3 A and root 3. These are the three vertices of a triangle. They are asking that these are the three vertices of which type of triangle? These are the three vertices of which type of triangle? Three vertices of which type of triangle? These are the three vertices of which type of triangle? So if somebody will be asking you this, what answer you are going to say? This is A, this is B and this is C, and we don't know these are the vertices of which type of triangle. Come on, think about it. How to give it? So I am giving you one distance formula. For ninth also I am giving you this formula because if we are studying quadratic geometry means we should have some extra concept also so that we'll be able to solve the questions. Are you ready for it, please? Can we be able to solve this question? Now let's see. We will put this as A comma A and this is minus A comma A and this is exactly minus, come on check this one out better. This will be minus root 3A and here it is root 3. So how AB, BC and AC. So three distances exactly. We are going to check this one out. Come on. Just let's find. So if somebody will be asking about AB. So we have to use distance formula. So what is exactly considered called as distance formula? Let's see this one out. So if somebody will be asking you what is distance formula, then you need to understand. We will write it as this part is x, x1 and this is y1. Okay, and this one is considered as x2 and this one is considered as y2. Okay, Deva? Okay, fine. Your sister, Tanisha, your sister, I had a habit of calling your sister as Deva. So only sometimes by seeing that name I am calling her Deva. Yes. After this class, Peter. After this class, now listen. Shall we start with it? What is the distance formula? Can you tell me what the distance formula says that AB is equal to root under x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Amrish, this is the distance formula, beta. This is what? This is distance formula. AB is equal to root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That part is exactly considered x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is distance formula. Okay. So if somebody will be asking you, this is the distance formula. Now we will consider this part as it. This, in case if they will ask this question, then rather than tracing out the point, what we will do, we will use the distance formula. So this part is considered as x1 by 1 and this part is considered as x2 by 2. We are going to take this order pairs as x1 by 1 and x2 by 2. And then beta, how we are going to place it out? How we are going to write it as x2, that is minus root 3a and here it is a minus a whole square plus here it is root 3a minus a whole square. So it is exactly game of algebra now. Understood? It is game of algebra and we can solve this one. Okay. So now look here. Right now what we are having is, can you see better? Here a is there, here a is there. Can we take out a common outside? But here nothing more is there. Minus root 3a and here it is minus a. What and all things are there? Can we say one more time? Here it is minus root 3a and here it is minus a. Can we take out minus outside here? So if I am taking out minus a, what is exactly present inside here? Is root 3 plus 1. Then now outside we will put square. Now the next part is root 3a. Again I am going to take out a outside. Okay. Now this time what it will become, it is some typical questions also we must solve. So root 3a and outside is whole square. Then beta, so what we have done here, now we are going to solve it. So now how we are going to solve it beta? This is minus a whole square. Minus a whole square will become what? Minus a whole square. It will become a square. Absolutely. Minus a whole square will become a square. So it is coming as a square. Now beta here root 3 plus 1. So negative square is always positive. Remember this. So if somebody will talk to you about minus a whole square, you will say that minus a square. Negative square is always coming as positive. Negative square is always coming as positive. So here minus a square will become a square. Now beta root 3 plus 1 whole square. What is the formula for root 3 plus 1 whole square? Very good. A plus b whole square formula you need to write. What is a plus b whole square beta? A square plus b square plus 2a. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2a. So we will write here root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 root 4 root 3. Absolutely correct. It will become 4 plus 2 root 3. Done. 4 plus 2 root 3. And here we will write this one. Now. So here plus again a square. This time root 3 minus 1 whole square. Minus 2 root 3. Absolute. Super. This is the cash point for you. You strengthen this type of questions. Super. Yes, one is minus and another one is plus. So what we are going to do beta, here a square and a square there. Can we take out a outside? Because here also a square, here also a square. So beta from this part a square and this part a square, can we take out a square outside? The moment we are taking out a square outside, this section will be left. Done now? So we are going to do like that only. Very good beta. So here, what you are going to write here. So now this part will become 4 plus 2 root 3 and here 4 minus 2 root 3. Come on, you can do it. Yes, sir. A square, so A will come out now. So now here it is exactly 4 plus 4, 8. So here it is coming A square, 8A square. What is the value coming as? 8A square. If you will take out A square common, it will become what better? 2a root a units. 2a root a units. So this I have used distance formula because in quadrant point we can use the coordinate section, we can use distance formula, and here we have used distance formula and we try to get the value of AB. Understood? So when we are trying to get the value of AB, what we are finding that the value is coming as 2a root a units. How much it is coming? 2a root a units. And 2a root 2 units. Sorry. 2a root 2 units. Now we will be going for BC. Understood? Same section, same thing, little bit change. Can we go for it? Come on children. See, can we be able to solve this one also? Now look at it. Try this one out. Let's see online children or offline. Who is going to answer? Come on, take out your note and solve. Before we try to solve and help. So this is one point, this is x2 and this point is considered as x1. So what is the same formula here? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now x2, what is x2 for us? Minus 8. And then minus of minus root 3a whole square plus a minus root 3a whole square. Did you saw something very unusual here? Can you check this one out better? Now look here. You see here, minus into minus will become what? Plus. So minus into minus will become plus. It will become minus a plus root 3a. And here also it is coming as a minus root 3a whole square. Is the same or different beta? Which one beta? The minus a plus 2a. Here it is exactly look here minus a. It is coming minus a minus into minus plus root 3a whole square. Done. Now it is coming what? It is again we are going to take out a outside. Correct. So if we are taking out a outside, a square will come out. It will come root 3 minus 1 whole square plus again a will come out means a square outside. So the moment you are writing a square outside, it will become 1 minus root 3 whole square. So once you have done, a will come out and then it is coming as root 3 minus 1 whole square will become 3 plus 1 minus, come on say it up, 3 plus 1 minus 2 into root 3, 2 into root 3. Again here, same thing is there now. So it will be 1 plus 2 root 3. 3 plus 1, here minus or plus will come. How plus? Here also minus is there. Here also minus is there because in the question they have given like that only. In the question they have given like that only. So we are going to take that section only. Because we are solving coordinate geometry. Because in coordinate geometry section only we are solving. We are trying to know the vertices and we are trying to understand that it is which type of triangle. This is coordinate geometry part. This is coordinate geometry. Okay. So now here it is again coming as minus 2 root 2. So a here it will come as what beta? 4 plus 4. It is coming as a minus 4 root 3. So here what we will do? We will take 4 into 2. A it will become 4 into 2 minus 4 root 3. So 4 will come out as 2. So it will become 2a root under 2 minus root 3 units. So till now what we are seeing is the first one is called as 2a root a. Second one value is different. First one value is different and second one value is also different. It is not same. Got it? So first one part is coming as 2a root a units. Second one is coming as 2 minus root 3. Come on. So we came to know that two sides value are different. Now the third side is the determining side. Okay. The third side will say that it is which type of triangle. If all sides are equal means equilateral triangle. Two sides are equal means isosceles triangle. Three sides are means if none of the sides are equal means scalar triangle. Correct, na? So here the last part is AC. Let's go for AC. AC is easy, na beta. Minus a minus a. Minus a whole square plus a minus a whole square. So it is coming as minus 2a whole square. So minus 12 is negative, it will become 4a square beta. 4a square is coming as 2a units. Now you tell me, are all the sides equal or different? If all the three sides are different, will it be isosceles triangle? It is a scalar triangle, absolute application. That's the catch point. Understood? So all the three sides values are coming different. So it is what type of triangle beta? Scalar triangle. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on. Now we will go for next question. Okay. Now write the next question, please. Little bit another point we are going to do. If a is less than 0 and b is also less than 0, then identify the coordinate axis. First they are telling identify the coordinate axis. Means it belongs to which coordinate axis? That's absolutely This is absolutely. Which exactly coordinate axis means where it will be. So which quadrant it will be? Yes. So we are going to talk about third quadrant. So it is coming as quadrant number. Quadrant part is exactly coming as quadrant part is coming as third. Okay. But this is not the end of the question. So if any point we have to find the distance from third quadrant to any other quadrant means we have to find the distance. Okay, fine. Very good, Beta. Super, super. Understood. That's absolutely correct answer. Correct. Absolutely correct answer. Shall we go for the next question, Beta? Huh? Class 9, Beta. Yes. This is coordinate geometry. Class 9 coordinate geometry part is only here. Okay. Coordinate geometry, we have discussed many things, Beta. We have discussed many questions from coordinate geometry And we have discussed some extra questions also from here. Third quadrant, answer is absolutely correct. Okay. So because I'm giving today revision, quadrant geometry, because children are having examination, so I'm discussing both the section. Now I will ask some of the questions here. Now get ready. See the question. Come on, say the answer. Bhavya, where were you, beta? My voice is not clear, beta. Some network might be problem. Some network problem might be there, beta. So first, try to solve this question, beta. See the question and try to answer the question. Ordinate of a point is positive in. Uh, Ordinate of a point is positive in. Ordinate of a point. Okay, beta, no problem. Just solve these questions, Bhavya. Ordinate of a point is positive in. First and absolutely correct. The ordinate of a point is positive in first and second quadrant. Just see the video, note down the questions, beta. Ordinate of a point is positive in which quadrant? First, not only first quadrant, Aru, first quadrant also and second quadrant. We'll see this one, beta. Where and all ordinate of a point is positive. Let's see. Ordinate of a point is positive in which quadrant? No, ma'am. So ordinate of a point is positive in. Here you will see plus and plus is there. Here minus and plus is there. Here what is there, beta? Minus and minus is there. Here plus and minus is there. So when you will be seeing this one, plus plus minus minus and minus is there. Okay. So now ordinate means y-axis bar. Ordinate means which axis bar? Y-axis. Where it is positive, you see y-axis is positive in first and second quadrant. So what answer we are going to write? First and comma second quadrant. First and second quadrant. So understood now? Come on children, say did you understood this one? Understood nicely, beta? It is coming positive in first and second quadrant. So if somebody will be asking you ordinate, that means first and second quadrant. Where is abscissa are positive? Abscissa or x-axis is positive in absolute, very good. Abscissa is positive in first and C. Abscissa is positive. Abscissa means x-axis. The value of x-axis is positive in which quadrant, Bhavya? The value of x-axis is positive in first quadrant, first axis and second. So if you will reverse the question also, you will be able to answer now. Negative, y negative in third and fourth, x negative in second and third. X negative in which quadrant? Second and third. Understood? I hope you might have got the points and you understood what and all answers to be given. Understood or not? Come on, say. Okay, fine. Got it, better? So now one question is there. You need to identify, but some of the images I am unable to give today. So one part question is there. Just let me 1 minute. I'll be showing you the question. It's not coming. Fine. Clear now here coordinate and abscissa part is very nicely understood. So I'm giving you some revisions. One question is, are you ready for this question? A little bit tricky question because KP students are having examinations. So I'm just going to ask some questions. Get ready for it. Question is, what is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? 5x square plus 3 whole square. What is the degree of the polynomial? This is exactly the biggest catch. Now listen, beta. Now we will go for it. Now what is the final degree say? 2 is not the correct answer. 2 is not the correct answer. Mhm. No. Okay. Tanisha is telling. Tanisha has given me one answer. I'm asking the degree, highest degree. Huh? What is the highest degree here? 2. Chahil, Bhavya. Okay, Yuva has given me the answer. Think. You can do it. Come on, think it up. Just think here. I'm giving you an option. Please check this one out. Okay. Now look here. Can you tell me? Is it in which format, Peter? That's it. You have the answer. Now look here. It will become 5x square whole square plus 3 square plus 2 into 5x square into 3. Now come on, say 25x to the power 4 plus 9 plus 30x square. Now see the answer. That's all. So here Tanisha is absolutely correct. She was the one who has given the answer first. 4 is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Yes, she has given the answer first. After that here Yuvashri has given the answer first. You understood now? So whenever the outside square is there, your first condition is to first prove it, and after that only you need to first you solve it and then. Ready for the next question? Highest degree. Amrish, I know this time you will not take the risk. Ready? Highest degree. What is the highest degree here? 4. Very good. Absolutely. Yes. 4 is the highest degree. The correct answer is 4 is the highest degree. Why did I? So here it will become Amrish now. It is absolutely correct. It is 7x whole square plus 2 into x square into 7x. So here it will become x to the power 4 plus 14x cube plus 49x square. 49. Here 49 it will become 7 to the 14. Here x square x only. This part will become x cube will become. 2 sevens are 14. X square into x will become x cube. I hope you might have understood here. Now let's go for the next one. Ready for the next question? Highest degree and coefficient of x square. You have to find both. Highest degree and coefficient of x square and constant value. So they are demanding two things from us. My question is still not completed. You need to first see the question. Ready? Can I? Come on, go for it. Highest degree, first and second coefficient of x square and highest degree is 8. Check one more time. Come on. Amrish, no take hurry worry. Very carefully think and then you decide. Don't get hurry worry. Bhavya, highest degree is 6. Bingo. I am not saying it now. You first solve. After that, I'll say. Coefficient is 1. That's very quick. Tanisha, that's very quick. Let's see. Let's see what is the answer. Hmm? Highest degree is 6. 6, absolutely correct. But late. Say fast. Highest degree is 6, absolutely correct. So first what we will do with that? Say fast, Harish. A cube, cube. Then we have minus 3x square into a, and then x square minus a. I think Tanisha, one time more you need to check the answer. Come on, check the answer. One time more you need to check the answer, Tanisha. Over here will come x to the power 6. That's absolutely correct. The highest degree is x to the power 6. Next, 8, 64. 64 into 8. 5, 1, 2. So it is minus 5, 1, 2. And then minus, say fast better. Very good, super ambitious. X square or x4? Check here. Here it is x square and here it is x square. X square into x square will become x to the power 4. Minus into minus plus. Plus 192 x square and then constant is there now. So now beta our first question was, what was the first question? Coefficient is 1. Can you recheck your answer? Beta first tell what is the highest degree? 6 is the highest degree. What is the coefficient of x square? 192. What is the constant term? Minus 512. So highest degree is 6. I am writing HD, okay. Highest degree is 6, okay. Coefficient of x square is exactly 192. Constant is which one? Minus 512. We got all the answers back to back. Ready? How was the class? You understanding nicely now? Huh? So now I am going to start with the next question. Are you all ready? Hey, come on, have that fast speed. Only he is answering the question. He's so quick. What about others? Where is Chahil? Why you are not answering? Sam also not there. Are we ready for the next question? I don't know. He didn't said anything. We'll see. Question is, yes, child. Answer, yeah. This is done. Noted. You can note down afterwards in the class. You can check because video is there in the group. So now next question. Are you ready? Hmm? This time from girl side I want answer. You have to find. You have to find coefficient of xy. Understood? But you have to find coefficient of x square y. Coefficient of x square y and xy square. Got it? Coefficient of x square y and xy square. Ready now? To answer also give fast. Answer also give us x square y and xy square. Coefficient of x square y and xy square. You can do it. Come on, say what is the answer, beta? X square y is equal to minus 6 and x square is equal to square. Wow, that was super quick here. Super, very good. Now let's see. X minus 2y whole cube is there. It will become x cube minus 2y whole cube minus 3 into x into 2y x minus 2. X cube minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, y cube minus 3 to the 6, x square y, and then minus into minus plus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, x y square. Now beta they ask what is the coefficient. So are you ready for the coefficient? What is the coefficient of x square y beta? Minus 6. The coefficient of x square y, coefficients of x square y is and coefficient of x y square. What is the coefficient of x square by? Minus 6. And what is the coefficient of x y square? Did you got it? They will ask you in MCQs and they will ask these type of questions. Will you be able to answer? Come on, say yes or no. This now we are exactly checking all the points. Ready? Answer done, beta. Understood? But you need to write. You are not writing right now. Okay. Come on, solve this question and give the answer. Question is x minus 4 whole square plus x minus 4 whole square plus x plus 4 whole square. Yes, start solving. Let's see what answer is coming. X minus 4 whole square plus x plus 4 whole square. Come on, go for it. Very easy question. X square plus 32. Let's see. So here it will become what beta x square a square plus b square minus 2 4 is the 8x plus x square plus 4 square plus 2 4 is the 8x. Okay. So minus 8x and plus 8x will get cancelled. Okay. And here it will become what x square plus x square is equal to 2x square. It is coming as 16 plus 6. So 2x square plus 32. Now can we take into account? It will become x square plus minus means we can find more factor, plus means we cannot. Okay, so here we are going to stop that one. So if it is coming till here, we can write it as 2 take common x square plus 60. Done? 2 take common x square plus 60. Done till here? Can you say? One question is, can you start that question now? Question is, shall we start? Ready? Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid given is 3x square minus 27. Then its dimension is, come on, say it. Dimension means what? Length, breadth, and height. Cuboid means this shape. Okay, so this is cuboid. This one will become its length. This one will become its breadth. And this one will become its height. Okay, so volume is considered as L into B into H. So here this is given. Volume is given. Now come on, find. Is this dimension? Do you think it is dimension? Is this dimension? Doubt is it? Which? Hmm. Yes, if you will take common, then only dimension will come now, because dimension is you have to find three cases. Okay. You can take any one of the dimension. One, see, look here. First one, what we will do? We will take, it will become what beta? 3x square minus 27. So we are going to take out these. What is coming as x square minus 9. Now here it will become x square minus 3 whole square. Is it coming with a x square minus 3 whole square? Okay. So here x square is coming into which formula beta? It is coming in the formula of a square minus b square. It is coming as what beta? A plus b, a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. Understood? So here 3, it will become x plus 3, x minus 3. Understood? So anyone you can take now, yeah, that's not a big deal. Anyone you can take as L, B and H. Anyone you can take it as L, B and H. Okay. So dimensions will be coming as 3 into x plus 3, x minus 3 cubic unit. Okay. Cubic unit. Volume will be coming. It will become cubic unit. It will be considered as what unit beta? Cubic unit. I hope you might have understood here. Now write the next one please. Now next question is factorize. Test is there in school. Polynomial is coming now. So factorization part. So let's factorize this question. Tomorrow I will teach without live stream, and I will be sitting with you and solving. Okay. Now the next part is you need to solve. You need to factorize this one. Tomorrow whatever doubts are there, first to bring the doubts with us. Huh? So factorization question is 10x square. 10x square minus 9x plus 2. Come on, go for it. 10x square minus 9x plus 2. Done? X plus 3. Very good child. Can you give the final answer, beta? Huh? 5x? Okay, let's check this one out. Okay, we'll solve it. Now here, first we will see this one and this one. So here the question is, here this is 10 and this is 2. Done? So this part is 10 and this part is 2. Little bit big I am going to write. What is the question? 10x square minus 9x plus 2. So here 10 factor will be coming as what beta? 2 and 5. And here 2 is already there. Now we need to bring 9. What we are going to bring 9? What we are going to bring? Minus 2. So here can we multiply this 2? 2 to the 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is considered as 9. So let's go for it. 10x square minus. Now it will become what beta? Very good. Minus 5x. After that, minus 4x plus 2. So here, because we will multiply this, it is coming as 4 and this one is 5. So 5 and 4 we have to arrange in such a way so that we will be exactly getting 9 in the center. But 9 in the middle part is minus 9. So we have write minus 5 and minus 4. Now what is all are common here? Here 10 and 5 is there. So these two first we will check. So 10 and 5 is there. So we are going to take 5 common. And here x is square, so x common. What is coming as 2x minus 1. Now here what we are going to take common is 2. So we are going to write as minus 2. It will become 2x minus 1. Absolutely. So it is coming as 5x minus 2 and 2x minus 1. 5x minus 2 and 2x minus 1. This is the answer. Absolutely correct, Rita. Okay. Beta maths 9th and 10th and science 9th and 10th. Basically, I am on maths faculty and science also. I have done B.Ed in both maths and physical science. Physical science here means physics, chemistry, biology. I am applicable to teach till then. So I have done B.Ed in 2 subjects. Plus I have done masters in mathematics. Okay, advanced applied everything I can teach. Plus I am doing PhD. Yes, in maths. Then beta. So shall we go for one last question quickly? Come on. Very good. Spider-Man. Spider-Man मतलब स्पाइडरमैन मतलब क्या हुआ? Come on, solve this question. 2x plus 3y equal to 12. xy equal to 6. Find 8x cubed plus 27y. Come on, go for it. You got the answer? Very good. Spider-Man. Come on, solve this question. Challenge question. Solve it. Come on, find the value beta. This one answer you got or not? Shall we solve this question answer beta? We'll go for it, huh? Now look here, I am solving here xy is equal to 6 given, xy equal to 6 given, then asking the value of this. So first beta, what is the question given? 2x plus 3y is equal to, what is the value we have? 2x plus 3y equal to 12 given. So what we will do? We will write squaring both sides. The moment we write squaring both sides, now we have to square it. So 2x plus 3y whole square equal to 12 square. Okay. So 2x plus 3y whole square, when you are writing, so then it is coming as 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y, 2 into 2x into 3y equal to 144. Okay. So it will become 4x square plus 9y square plus 2 to the 4, 4 is the 12xy is equal to 144. Now beta here it will become 4x square plus 9y square equal to 144 minus 12xy. But do you remember what is the value of xy given? 6. So shall we replace here 4x square plus 9y square equal to 144 minus 12 into 6. So 144 minus 6 is equal to 74. Tell me what is the value, beta? 70. What is the answer coming is 72. Did you got this point, beta? Come on, check. So it is coming as 4x square plus 9y square, 144 minus 72. 144 minus 72. Just after this 5 minutes, give me 5 minutes break, give me, I'll start the class. Okay? Ready? Done, beta? No done. 432, how? 12 square is 144. Super beta. Manpreet, no? So it is coming as 144 minus 12 into 672. Huh? Yes. So that's it for today, beta.